Hi everyone, here we've got LG G8X ThinQ, and let me show you how to record the screen on this device. So first of all, let's unroll the top bar and let's find the screen recording icon. It's right here. Let's tap on it and hold it a little in order to open screen recording options. As you can see, you can include yourself in video, you can choose the audio source and the video resolution. Simply tap on it and choose the option you want to use. Let me get back and let's show you how to record the screen. In order to begin, simply unroll the top bar, let's go to the screen recording icon and let's tap on it. This is the info about the screen recording. Let's click on start, and as you can see, now your device is counting down from 3 and now it is recording. You can say it by this bar. So from now on, your device will record all your actions which you are doing. In order to turn it off, simply unroll the top bar again. Let's go to the screen recording and let's tap on it. As you can see, it immediately stops and the recording has been saved. We can tap here to watch, and as you can see here, we've got the recorded video. In order to find it, you can go, of course, to the gallery, and here we've got the recorded videos album. So that's all. This is how to record video in your LG G8X ThinQ. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.